Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Creative Nandu. Today, if before starting to the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. These are the materials to paint the glass. Those are the Fevicryl glass colors, as I have shown you all in the states and capitals video. If you all want to check those in a detail, you can check. That is tissue paper and one glass and one drawing sheet. Have attached that drawing sheet to the glass paper with the help of tape. See guys, that is my tape, cello tape. As I have shown you all, once again I am going to show you all. See guys, that is a outliner for that glass painting. Those are the colors. I have shown you all only few. I have two sets. Those are the caps for the outliner. I'm going to open the glass, that outliner. I have wrapped that with the help of tissue papers. For that cap, it is a cap for that, or else you can remove that and you can keep that cap also. I'm not removing now. See guys, I have so many colors. I'm going to keep them inside. Keep those two sets aside. Those inside of those we can get a 10 shades, and they'll give you the price is 100. Actually it is 110, sorry, it is 110. Those are the tissue papers to clean. If we get any strikeouts, we can. First of all, we need a tissue paper outliner. First of all, we need a outliner tissue paper. Keep a tissue papers aside. Draw the outline on the glass painting. It's not working, so that I took a pin and I hold to it. Okay, let's test it. Okay, it's coming out. The ink is coming out. Keep that pen aside. Okay, so once again you have to test. Draw the outline on the glass. Draw it very carefully while you are doing this job. Please be careful, because it will not come out after drying, so that be careful. Now I am dotting. Okay guys, I have shown you all how to draw. In the same manner, we have to draw to the whole part. Once again I am showing. Okay guys, see, be careful while you are doing this job. See guys, some ink is attached to the net, so that please clean out that, or else you may get a disturbance. See guys, now I am drawing the ear. This is my the third time of drawing. I have shown you all two already in the states and capitals video. If you all want to watch those two paintings, you can watch. Before that states and capitals, I have said you all I'll show how to paint the glass color, but I haven't. So that I am showing you all now. Please excuse. Okay guys, those two eyes are looking very dirty. So I am using this Super Max Multi Proper Polish. So you can use this liquid for all the machines and all that. I am using for this glass also. It cleans that disturbances. If you want to use this, you can use, and or else you can choose the spirit also. Spirit also cleans very neat, but I doesn't have the spirit, so that I am adjusting with that. Okay guys, now after applying to it, we have to clean. Apply and then clean it. Now draw. See guys, if you should not leave that. You should not leave the outliner, or else it may dry. Okay guys, I have drawn. Now take the Fevicryl glass colors. First of all, see guys, now I have arranged in a proper manner. I have two sets, so that I kept like that, both beside. If you all keep like this, you can paint easily. First of all, I took a brown color for the hair. Before applying to it, we have to shake, because it may not mix properly. Again, now you can paint. If you all get bubbles like that while you are painting to it, if you all get bubbles, you have to tap on it. Here I haven't get any bubbles, but I have got at the skin part and all that. If you all get the bubbles, you have to tap on it. Adjust the color. You should not leave over, so that it may not come out the boundaries. It may not come out the boundaries. See guys, I got a bubbles, so that only I am tapping. Clean it. once again I am adjusting to it. Then cap. Now I am going to choose yellow color. I got a golden yellow. You all also will get a golden yellow. You will not get a normal yellow. Normal yellow will not give a glow, so that they will give a golden yellow. First of all, you have to draw the boundaries with the help of that itself. Then adjust the color. Now I am cleaning the outer part because some color has happened to it. Tap the bubbles. See guys, I have drawn the both. Now I want to get a skin color, so that I am mixing the white color, brown and pink also. I think so I haven't shown you all the pink color. To clean that bottle, I took a 10 minutes. It's very difficult to clean. Mix it. It means shake it. Okay guys, I got a brownish. I got a brownish because I have added the brown color 1 drop more. Don't add 2 drops or 3 drops. Take a 1 drop itself, brown color, but take a white color so much. Okay guys, now I'm cleaning those papers and all that. Oh, see guys, I have cleaned them. I got so many papers. you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. If you all click the bell icon, you'll get the notifications.